ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ 26 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಚೆಲುವೆ ಸಂಗೀತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಮಾತು ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? I'm really very happy and very excited to be here with you all. ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ again I've come back to the Kannada film through Celebrity. So I'm really thankful to the director Kiran here, and my pranams to Mahesh sir, Suresh Babu sir here, and the special guest Sudeep Avare. I'm your fan anyway. Thanks for being here. I'm so delighted to meet you actually. You're technically very strong. I know you're a very good actor. But you have got one more thing. You are a very good teacher. I believe Kiran is a wonderful creator. So thank you for giving Kiran to us. Amela, my whole team, my DOP, Anand, and my music director, a magician, and my writer, Manoj Krishna. So I'm thankful to the whole team. And Nama hero, Ashwin. He's a very hardworking, passionate, Ashwin. Very hardworking and passionate. I've never seen this kind of restless, person. So, Chennaga madidru. So, very, very, all the best, Ashwin. And gorgeous Priyanka here. So, I'm very happy to be here the whole. So, I have to say, Nama production house, Gauri Arts, Sushma Ashwin avaru ಮತ್ತೆ Mahesh sir avaru. This production house is something I have to say, they are very very professional and very systematic. So thank you for bringing me here. Karnataka, thank you so very much to bring me here. And Nanna Namaskara to the press and media, because still Karnataka remembers me only because of you. Thank you for supporting me so very much. So take care. All the very best, my team.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸಂಗೀತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರರಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ಈಗ